The rules for signs for division are the same as those for multiplication. A positive number divided by a positive is a positive. A positive divided by a negative results in a negative. Order does not make any difference as long as there's one negative. Negative in the numerator is the same as if there's a negative in the denominator, resulting in a negative result. And last, if we have a negative divided by a negative, we end up with a positive result. To illustrate that, we have a positive divided by a positive, which of course is a positive. A positive 32 divided by a negative with the one negative results in negative 8. Having the negative out in front is no different than if it was in the numerator. The result will be a negative. And here in the last example, a negative divided by a negative is the case where we end up with a positive result.